Rawr.
Issue interviews.
Boy howdy, I sure hope nothing happens to my eggs sitting all happy in that tree up there. I am an owl. I don't like omelets for breakfast.
Die, owl!
Oh no! My beautiful tree is now on the floor! Oh no!
Nature helpers! We just stopped deforestation because it's bad for the animals, because their homes get dead.
No! My egg! It got broken in the fall! This gives me an idea. We can make a petition to stop bulldozers from mowing down trees and maybe make people kick over bulldozers too.
Catchphrase.
Wait, what? Oh no! What's that horrible smell?
Haha, it is I, pollution.
Oh no! This is very horrible for my system. Also, all my friends who are conveniently off screen will also die. Maybe. Or they'll just get very sick. Call now to donate to help stop pollution. Once again, that's 1-800-BE-NICE. Our first caller. Hello?
Hello, I'd like to donate 1 million Monopoly dollars. That's about enough to buy a stop sign.
Cool, thanks. Thanks for your donation. Bye.
Here's your stop sign.
Oh, cool,
And just
thanks.
Sign here.
Oh,
Say, aren't you a little young to be stopping pollution?
Nobody's too young to help stop pollution. All you gotta do is donate.
Die, pollution!
Hi, I'm a dinosaur. I died a long time ago, but extinction still happens generally around this time. So here's an example. My good friend Jerry Seinfeld, the last dodo bird.
Hi, my name's Jerry Seinfeld, as he said, and I would really not like to die because that would mean the end of my species, and also I'm starring in a movie soon, and my screen name is Dodo Baggins.
Get him, dog.
Oh no, the last dodo bird is dead. Hey, that gives me an idea. I should make a petition to stop overhunting. Ha! How do you feel about that?
Wow, that's really important. I really want to listen here. I'll go tell all my hunter friends that they should stop.
That could still be a problem, though.
Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, boop. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, are you hunting?
Yeah, I'm about to shoot a deer.
Don't do that. It's the last of its kind.